going to be working on this playlist majorly for artificial intelligence with Python. We're going to be looking at many frameworks, but most importantly, we're going to be looking at the Langchain framework. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So what has been striking the internet over a while now is the Langchain framework, and currently here I'm in the documentation. So I believe everyone is very much familiar with tools like ChatGPT, and powerful things you can use them for. Let's just come here, search ChatGPT. Alright, kind of having some network. Alright. Okay, everyone is popularly aware of ChatGPT, knowing that it is an artificial general intelligence software, because it learns from the human. It tries to learn, and also it's a language model basically. So it's a language model. So the power of ChatGPT, the power of the LLM, which is what we call it LLM, Langchain was built on top of it, and from here you can see Langchain is a framework for developing applications powered by language models. It enables application data aware and agentic. So there are three major things we're looking at in Langchain. Firstly, we are going to be looking at the LLM, we are going to be looking at the prompts, and we are going to be looking at the output parser. So I believe everyone is very much aware of how ChatGPT works. So let me just quickly explain the ChatGPT instance. Alright, so we're back. Here is ChatGPT. Basically, I'm using the model 4, and you can see I just give it a prompt telling it to generate a bedtime story for me, and you can see the bedtime story generated. This is what we call the power of the LLM, which is the language model. So ChatGPT is based off general intelligence, which means literally anything you ask it to give you, though not very much correct as a human would, but still it's very much strong. So back to the Langchain framework. Basically, Langchain is available for Python and also for JavaScript. So if you're a Node.js developer, you can make use of the Langchain framework and go through the JS/TypeScript docs. So we're going to be looking at many things, but first of all, we're going to look at all this in this playlist, and we're going to combine it to build many powerful AI-powered softwares with just few lines of code. Because if it's to build these things on a norm, it takes very much huge amount of time. But with the power of Langchain, you can actually save much time in development. We're just writing less than 20 lines of code, you've gotten all your software up and running, all your application up and running. And we're going to be combining it with some also powerful libraries like the Streamlight to give us nice UI. We're going to be looking at maybe the Wikipedia or the Google to enable our language model to make searches to the internet. So we're going to be making lots of things, learning lots of things in this particular playlist. So this is a playlist I'm kicking off, and I'm going to be talking a lot about this Langchain framework, the up, the in, and the out. Every single thing you need to know, from the LLM to chat models to prompts to output parser. I'm going to be going in and out on almost all these things. And as you all know, I'm also a open source contributor at the Langchain framework, which is a very good framework I got to know during the Somali hackathon I just completed. So if you're really interested in things like this, just make sure you keep in touch, subscribe, and you get to learn more, because I'll be dropping new videos every day talking about this framework, using them to build powerful softwares that you all will be interested in. Alright, so yeah, that is it for the introduction video. Stick with me as we explore more on Langchain and more on artificial intelligence. Peace.